Who is selling those? Mama. Mama, oh. Hey.
Why I see you are disturbing me?
Wait. Are you the owner of this store?
What is wrong with you? No, I'm asking them.
See, just concentrate your life in this old newspaper.
Do you think is there anybody you can pass on?
Excuse me. Is that my question and answer?
My friend, don't make me angry this afternoon. Okay? I'm already pissed off and don't make me angry. Do you hear me?
You would have told me that it is this my cap that is in your head. It is your eye. It is your brain.
What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me.
You want me to call the police for you?
Call if you like. Call your family, your village people. I'm not interested.
I don't have time for you, okay?
You know me.
I will make you go to jail. You will hear from my lawyer.
Look at him. You will make me go to jail. I will make you go to grave. You will hear from my native doctor. Yes. Yes. You will hear from my native doctor. I will make you go to grave.
Young man, that's not nothing to that. That's not nothing to that, okay?
Don't romance me. See, don't romance me. Talk to me.
That's not nothing to that. Madam, please. Who is selling? Please bring 1 up for him. 1 up.
1 up.
Exactly.
Make it 2.
Make it 2. I'll pay, don't worry.
No problem. You are not who pay for the one that you have done. Just make it a very round figure. Make it 3.
Oh, very tiri.
Yes. My man, it's very good. If you make this thing 4.
Mama, breathe 4.
If you make it 5, it will be okay.
Mama, bring 1 crate.
Huh? Bring 1 what?
1 crate is okay.